every actor's dream to work with Bachchan sir. And for me, it was never a dream. She is just full of life. That woman is something else. I have already done one movie with RGV sir. I have been a part of a couple of horror movies. I have worked down south with from a Nagarjuna to Venkatesh to a Mohan Babu, coming to Siddharth, Junior NTR, Prabhas, or Ravi Teja, almost all age groups. Telugu is very close to my heart. Andhra Pradesh is very, very close to my heart. People are gonna come and see this film because they want to see Amitabh Bachchan and they will end up seeing me.
आजकल के कच्चे बच्चों ने मगर मुझे चांदन कहा
और वो लोग
Sexy!
सुना आपने?
Hi everybody, this is Charmi Kaur and you're watching me on BollywoodHangama.com.
The Southern Sultry Charmi Kaur is all set to make her Bollywood debut with the film Buddha Hoga Tera Baap, and she's more than happy to share screen space with none other than Amitabh Bachchan.
Buddha Mil Gaya Tera Baap came to me because Jagan is a very good friend of mine and both of us come from Telugu movies, and he just asked me one day, will you do Buddha? And I was like, okay, it's $1 million question. Hello, what are you asking me? And he was like, hello, I'm asking you, will you do Buddha? And I was like, boss, give me one shot next to Bachchan sir and I will do it. And he was like, idiot, I'm asking you for one of the main characters. Will you do Buddha? And I was like, hello, I will die now.
आजकल के कच्चे बच्चों ने मगर मुझे चांदन कहा
और वो लोग
Sexy!
सुना आपने?
It's every girl's dream. To put it right, every actor's dream to work with Bachchan sir. And for me, it was never a dream. You know why? Because I never dreamt such big dreams. I never had the guts to dream of working with Bachchan sir. Amit ji is one person who respects artists so much. He knows for the fact that all of us here are ambitious and all of us here are here to fulfill our dreams. So he gives so much space and he gives us all the liberty. He gives us so much liberty. When it's an action, you are free to be in your character and behave the way you want your character to behave. And after cut, come back to your senses.
Charmi also spoke about Raveena Tandon.
She's my mother in the film and she is just full of life. That woman is something else. Believe me, you cannot say that she's a mother of 2 kids and she can be a competition to me. She can be a competition to all the youngsters today. She's so fit and she's glowing and of course, no doubt, she's a fantastic dancer, she's a fantastic actress, but she's a very beautiful soul. She's a beautiful person.
The actress hopes and wishes to work with all the directors and play different characters in Bollywood the way she did in South.
I have worked down south with from a Nagarjuna to Venkatesh to a Mohan Babu, coming to Siddharth, Junior NTR, Prabhas, also a Ravi Teja, almost all age groups. You name the directors, I have worked with them. I would like to maintain the same here. Like down south, I have done all sort of films. I have done all sort of characters. You go back, see my biodata, I have done all sort of characters. I think I would like to maintain the same in Bollywood. I have already done one movie with RGV sir. and I have been a part of a couple of horror movies. One of them has been a very, very big hit. I've been telling you, like, look, I have done almost everything. So I would like to do everything once again in Bollywood. See, the fact is, everybody would want to have the exposure we have in Bollywood. And I don't deny the fact that even I want that. I've become very strong over the period of last 10 years, thanks to my career graph, and that's why I'm all ready and all set now. I'm ready to face anything and everything. I know what to do and what not to do, and I think I have reasonably good experience in my hand now, and I think I'm ready for Bollywood. Well, Telugu is very close to my heart. Andhra Pradesh is very, very close to my heart. I have done n number of films in Telugu. I have done 2 in Malayalam, I've done 1 in Kannada, and I have done a few in Tamil. But I have got a lot of love from Andhra Pradesh. So I am definitely a bit partial to my Telugu people. Yes, of course. The journey has been fantastic. I have seen it all. I have seen flops. I have seen the biggest hits. I have seen good scripts. I have seen bad scripts. I have seen my characters getting edited. I have seen myself in full films. I have seen it all last 10 years now. Over 50 movies. And I think I'm neutral to all emotions now. I don't get overexcited when I get a super hit. I don't get depressed when I get a flop. I'm just neutral. It's a choice to be neutral.
चला 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 गोली मैं मरूंगा तो बुलेट से ही मरूंगा बीपी या शुगर से नहीं ए बुड्ढे
अबे बुड्ढा होगा तेरा बाप थोड़ी सीना जोरी थोड़ी थोड़ी माथा थोड़ी थोड़ा एक्शन थोड़ा
I'm not looking at anything like how much space have I got or no. It is an Amitabh Bachchan film. Okay, and I am in it. I have got lucky. I am the one who is in this film. I can only see that. People are going to come and see this film because they want to see Amitabh Bachchan and they will end up seeing me. Okay, it's obvious. And if I'm good, I will get appreciation. He can carry them all. If you see him, he's wearing 2 watches, and the way he's wearing those glasses and his colorful scarves around his neck, he can just carry them all, believe me. He's just fantastic. I just love every look, every outfit of Amit ji in Buddha Hoga Tera Baap. Buddha Hoga Tera Baap is something that as a fan I am looking forward to, and I missed this avatar of Amit ji over these years, last few years, and as a fan I am very happy to see him like that. And great going, sir. We all love you so much. My character's name is Amruta, and she's a very bindas, very cool, and a very aajkal ki ladki types. But she's very kiddish also, very kiddish. Like, she will just cry if she wants something. She won't casually ask. Her way is crying and asking. That's all she is. She's very bindas also, like very mufat. if like you must have seen in the promo, you know, if Amit ji ask her how do I look, and she's like, you look sexy, you know. This is her character.
थोड़ी थोड़ी सीना जोरी थोड़ी थोड़ी माथा फोड़ी थोड़ा एक्शन थोड़ा जैक्सन बुड्ढा होगा तेरा बाप
Buddha Hoga Tera Baap, the title track is my favorite track.
थोड़े सारे नियम तोड़े
Bollywood Hungama News Network.
चूहे बन के दुश्मन दौड़े बुड्ढा होगा तेरा बाप